If you're complaining about Monday morning again, you're not stuck, you're stalling. I built a side hustle at the same time as dreading my job. And now it's my exit strategy. So still hate Mondays? Or are you ready to change your life? Because if you're not doing anything about it, you're choosing it. So if you're thinking of starting a side hustle, but you don't know where to start by downloading my free guide. It's called Thinking of Starting a Side Hustle, and it will walk you through 5 key areas that you should really ask yourself before you invest, sign up, or join anything. The link to that is in my bio.